everyone, thanks for tuning on to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of some items that I received from ThredUP. Many of you guys know that I love to save money wherever I can so I can travel. And I've also been doing a lot of clothing and shoes decluttering around my apartment. Well, I reached out to ThredUP, which is the #1 online thrifting and consignment store, to do a try-on of some of the items that I picked out. For this collaboration, I was able to get credit from ThredUP, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I wear the items that I received. So the first item are a pair of Rockstar skinny jeans from Old Navy. It was beautiful outside and I wanted some color, so I wore the purple and the mustard colored sweaters together. So the next item is this cute dress from Studio One. 3 things that I like about it. I love the collar detail. It does have pockets. It's not that deep, but it has pockets. And it has this cute belt. The next item are some mid-rise jeans from Old Navy. These are curvy profile jeans. I wore this outfit with a black sweater and this vest by Sanctuary. This is a faux fur vest. I absolutely love it. Next item I got was this vest by Apartment 9. It goes midway to like my thigh. The next item is this denim shift dress from UNIQLO. I layered this dress with some leggings, black over-the-knee boots, and I wore a black sweater underneath. The last item that I have is this green blouse from Forever 21. The thing that I love about this blouse is the gold detailing on the buttons. I saved this piece for last because it does have missing buttons, but it's nothing that I can't fix by going to the garment district or just purchasing buttons. When you're looking for the item, just make sure to read the description to see if there are any stain marks or any rips or tears in them. If it's something that you can work around, like I said, I can work around with the missing buttons on the sleeves. Definitely get it. So now comes the fun part. If you're interested in using ThredUP for their online thrifting services, you can go on their website or download the ThredUP app and use code JoAnna to get 50% off your first purchase. If you like the video, make sure to thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.